Could it be that time, the very fabric of our existence, possesses a fluidity and flexibility that defies our linear understanding? Welcome to a journey of discovery, where we'll explore the malleability of time through the lens of physics, psychology, and paradoxes. The first stop on our itinerary is the realm of time dilation, an intriguing concept born from Einstein's theory of relativity. Here, time is no longer a fixed entity, but a variable that changes with speed and gravity. As objects move faster or encounter stronger gravitational forces, time seems to slow down for them, a quirk of reality that has been confirmed through experiments with high-speed particles and atomic clocks. Next, we delve into the subjective perception of time. Isn't it peculiar how time seems to stretch endlessly in moments of boredom, yet slips through our fingers when we're engrossed in an activity? This elasticity of perceived time is influenced by a myriad of factors like attention, emotion, and novelty. Our brains, it seems, have their own internal timekeepers that can be manipulated by our experiences and surroundings. Our journey then takes a detour into the tantalizing world of time travel and the paradoxes it spawns. Consider the perplexing grandfather paradox, which posits a time traveler potentially preventing their own existence by meddling with the past. These paradoxes push the limits of causality and reality, posing profound questions about the nature of time itself. The final leg of our journey brings us face to face with time's arrow, the one-way street that guides us from the past, through the present, and into the future. Despite time's symmetry in physics, we experience it as a forward march, a phenomenon linked to entropy and the second law of thermodynamics. As entropy increases, events progress from order to disorder, establishing the irreversible flow of time that shapes our experiences and narratives. As we conclude our journey, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of understanding and mystery. The study of time, whether through the lens of relativity, perception, or paradoxes, reveals a landscape that is as complex as it is fascinating. The more we learn about time, the more we appreciate the intricate tapestry of existence that we are part of, even as we remain transient spectators in its grand narrative.